How to fix Facebook Messenger not working? First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps. Search for Facebook Messenger and when you find it, all what you want to do is click on it like this. After that click on force stop and then go to the storage or the internal storage right here. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage here and disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again, and then click on force stop. And the last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.